when to buy dividend stocks, how do you know if it's a safe investment, how do you know if it's an aggressive investment.
Illuminati's watching, I gotta stick to the script.
Welcome to Funancialism. On this channel, we expand our wealth growth mindset.
Command you to grow. You must grow.
I have short videos, long videos breaking down investing concepts. I also have an Instagram where I go live every now and then and just talk about stocks. You can always DM me there as well. Now, while you're here, like, comment, subscribe. But in this video, in the next few minutes, you're gonna learn what a dividend is. A dividend is simply part of the profit that a corporation makes and pays out to shareholders. A shareholder is simply someone who owns stock of their company. So if you have the Robinhood app or a Charles Schwab account, you can literally go ahead, get $47, buy a piece of Coca Cola, and throughout the year, they will pay you a dividend or they will share part of their profit with you. This is not the value of the stock. The stock goes up throughout time, gradually, especially with a company like Coca Cola, at least so far. That could change any day. People might stop poisoning their bodies with Coca Cola. That's another video.
Illuminati's watching, I gotta stick to the script.
Bill, can you do the dab real quick? Damn.
Wait. It's a triangle.
Coca Cola, as their stock goes up, they will pay out a dividend or part of their profit that they have collected over the years from you guys. So again, if you want to profit with Coca Cola off of their drinks and stuff, you can buy their stock. Again, not a licensed professional. This is just for fun and educational purposes, some of my own research and I'm sharing with you. If you'd like to watch a longer video on dividends, breaking them down, when to buy dividend stocks, I do. How do you know if it's a safe investment? I do break down that whole sphere of dividend investing. Click that video right over there. I will right now, why don't ya? Did it right.
Bill, can you do the dab real quick? Damn.
Wait. It's a triangle.